Assalamu alaikum guys, today I'm going to teach you the proper and safe way of creating Skrill account in 2022. Before going to start how to create Skrill account, I request you guys, if you are new at my channel, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. The method I am going to tell you guys, it really works in 2022. Just go to your cell phone screen and open your Play Store.
टाइप स्क्रिल इन सर्च इंजन। अगर आपने पहले से इंस्टॉल नहीं किया तो आप इसको जो है यहाँ इंस्टॉल कर ले। अगर आपका पहले से इंस्टॉल है, लीव दिस सरफेस एंड गो वंस अगेन ऑन योर सेल फोन स्क्रीन। नो ओपन योर सेल फोन स्क्रिल आइकन। इफ यू हैव ऑलरेडी एन अकाउंट, जस्ट पुट email address and password and login, and you will be logging here. Because we are creating new account, so we will push register button. Write first name here. Keep in mind this name will be your ID card name. Last name, then email address, password. Password should be at least 8 characters, in which digits and words should be included. Select your country. You can directly drag down or also write in search your country and select it. Now select any currency which you want. I am going to select USD dollar and press register button now. After that you will see this kind of surface. Now you have to enable your fingerprint login. Another option is creating secret pin. So I want to create secret pin here. Keep in mind this secret pin will be used going to inside your account for any kind of transactions. After giving your secret pin, you will go ahead. Now welcome to Skrill account. Pay online, send to anyone on Skrill, transfer money. Now the verification process has been started, so push pay online button now. After that, now you will be on this kind of surface. Give your address here in first line. Second line is also for address. Select your city here. Give your postal code. If you don't know your city postal code, just go in Google search engine and write your city postal code. You will easily find there. After postal code, select your date of birth. And after date of birth, now give your cell phone here. Keep in mind this cell phone should be in your use, because after giving this and pressing the continue button, you will receive a verification code here. So I have received the verification code at this number. Fill your verification code here. Mobile number verify successfully. So after creating your account, you will have successfully verified it. Now you are the service where you can link your Visa card, any other kind of card which you are using for your transactions. You just click here. I am using Visa card, so I will click Visa card. Put your card number here. Write expiry date of your card. Put CVU number here. Save card detail and go ahead. Now you are successfully created the account, verified it, and you can also link your card here. Now you are able to do any kind of transaction from Skrill account. I hope you understand the process and like it. If you like it, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. Till next informative, I say you guys bye bye. Allah Hafiz. Fi amanillah.